We're in the southern Whitefish Range investigating a skier-triggered avalanche that occurred yesterday, Thursday, December 29th. It occurred across the canyon in an area called the Skook Chutes. Skook Chutes are predominantly south-facing chutes. In between each chute, there's a little rocky, treed rib, and this area is known for its cross-loading. And we believe the individual who triggered the slide yesterday triggered a pocket of wind slab deposited by cross-loading. And that individual went for about an 800 vertical foot ride from almost near the top of the chute down to what is referred to as the upper road. Perhaps over there you can also notice that there's some point releases and one or two fresh wind slabs that occurred after the storm passed last night. We also noticed right below us there's a storm slab avalanche that was triggered this morning by a skier. So things are a little bit touchy out here today. So we're at the top of the chute that was skier triggered yesterday, and looks like this is the entrance point where they dropped in. This gentleman made a few turns, but then he wanted to go to a point of safety, so he cut skiers right, heading towards that tree island, that little rib over there. We believe he probably triggered the slide somewhere in the neighborhood of that single snag that's out in the middle of the path. Again, this side's the scoured side, so that's why he initiated a slide right here. But as he got towards the center and the farther right of the slide path, that's where he hit the wind-loaded area. So we made our way up into the starting zone of one of the Skook Chutes, and we can only get in so far because the conditions are a little sketchy today. What we have noticed, though, is that we have about a 30 centimeter or 12-inch wind slab that was formed from cross-loading over the last couple days, and that wind slab is sitting on top of about almost a 1-inch thick ice crust. And in our tests, we're getting it to fail both on top of the ice crust and below the ice crust. Seems to be there's some weak snow, some faceted snow on both sides of this crust. And as you can see, it pops out relatively quick, relatively easy. We believe this is what the gentleman triggered in this chute that's just off to our right a few feet.